Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Genially for interactive brand presentations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Genially website. Once you're on the home page, click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, select the login option and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your Genially dashboard. To start a new project, click on the Create Genially button. You will see different templates to choose from. Browse through them to find one that fits your brand style. Once you select a template, click on it to open the editing interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the editing tools on the left side. You can add text, images, videos, and even animations from this menu. To add your brand elements, click on the Upload option to add your logo and other images. Make sure to adjust the size and position of your logo to fit the design. Use the text tool to input your brand message and customize the font and color to match your branding. You can enhance your presentation by adding interactive elements like buttons or links. To do this, select the interactive tools from the menu and drag them onto your slide. You can link these buttons to other slides or external websites for added functionality. Once you're satisfied with your presentation, click on the Publish button to make it available. Choose your desired privacy settings to determine who can view your presentation. After publishing, copy the link generated or embed code to share your presentation. Congratulations, you have successfully set up an interactive brand presentation using Genially. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.